Okay, before I get another unit to build, I figured I'd tear down this unit that came in the other day. It doesn't have very many miles on it, and as you can tell, it looks pretty bad. It wasn't built here, and I'm not going to try and throw anybody under the bus. But here's what I found. Look at that. I've never seen a band break. I mean, I know they break. I've never seen a band break. Can't say that anymore. So this looks like it's a Raybestos band. We used a bunch of them. Makes me nervous. Raybestos 51121. And looks like RS77200. So it broke right where well, not where the welds are, it just broke. So, okay. We can fix that. Drum doesn't look, well, gee. We'll see if it's flat. It might polish up. Kind of groovy in there. Again, we'll see what happens. But what I really wanted to show is how much clutch play we have here. I mean, wow. That's direct. That is either a factory, it's probably a factory replacement plate. So let's get this clutch out of here, see what it looks like. All right, so here's what we got. And this is totally wasted. We got 6 clutches in here. That looks like a factory pressure plate. And then here's the oddity. They stacked the steel on top of that, I guess, to take the clearance up. Coned. So none of this is reusable. It's all trash. It's all scrap. Scrap. Clutches are, whew, yucky. Need some waffle clutches in there, some blues or reds. So it's all trash. Coned. So we'll replace all that. We'll fix the band. We'll put a wide band on it. We'll see if this drum's good. If not, we'll put another drum in there. And I'm going to update it with some of my parts. The pump, the rotor clearance was about 3. So Scotia over 3. I don't like that. I like it closer to like 1.5 to 2. But I'm not going to say that made it fail. I'm not going to say what made it fail. I'm not going to do that. Down in there, where's my thrust washer? Yay. It was a little bit too tight. So that's pretty much what we got. We're not going to find anything else down there. Of course, I'm going to take it all apart. I'm going to clean it all, and it's all going to have to come apart. It's all going to be cleaned, and everything has to be inspected and gone through. So it's not a dirty unit, but it is a complete overhaul.